Hey everyone, here's a tutorial on how to fix any geekbar pulse, or actually any disposable for that matter. They all have the same problems, so you want to start. All you're going to need is pliers, a screwdriver of some kind, and an object with like a thin, sharp blade like this. And you're going to want to start with removing the button. Some of them are harder than others. That one is really easy. And the top, you're gonna get your top and the little filter, and you can just shove that back in there. This one's not fixable because it's full of water, but that doesn't really matter. Then you're gonna take your sharp object, just kind of twist until you can get it underneath the shell like that, and then just jam your screwdriver in there and pull the scissors out. Just keep going like that until you can pull out the innards. The problem that most geek bars have, like this one, is that when you drop it or throw it around, it's got these wires on the inside. They're supposed to go in these 3 holes, and they connect to the pegs of the motherboard, and there's really nothing to keep these in here besides just like the silicone, so they fall out really easily. And if even one of them just like slips out of the hole and stops touching the motherboard, then it's just not going to work anymore. And like it depends on which one comes out. Like either it's not going to charge, you're not going to be able to see the screen, or it's not going to hit. So either way, you can just open it up and just jam all the wires back in the holes. Like, just do a better job than they did in the factory, and it should be fine. If that doesn't work, you can fix any geek bar by just having a second geek bar. I don't have a second geek bar, but just use your imagination. If you have one that's working, doesn't need to be like charged or full or anything, just needs to be able to charge. You can pretty much just take the insides out of your other one. And so like if you get one and you break it and it's got like 80% juice left, you can just go to the store, get another one, chew through that one, and then use the innards of that one to fix your previous one once you're done. So it's never a lost cause. All you want to do is separate your little juice cube and your filter. You don't even need to touch anything else in there. And just put it back on. Make sure all the wires are in the right place. Just put it on your working insides, and you can save your juice. And then to put it back in there, just slide it in, make sure it's facing the right direction. It's gonna hear a click like that. Put your button back on, and then the tip has like one side that has this little thingy and the other side doesn't, so just check the top and see which side has the hole to fit that little thingy. Just jam it back in there. I'm on a carpet, but you can shove it like on a table and it'll pop the tip back on. So that's how you fix it. If you don't have a vape of the same type as your previous one, you can open it back up again, and there's still a way to fix it. It's kind of worse, but